Hi, friends. This is our survival series. I hope you like it. It is my friends Davon and Vampire Girl. As you can see, there's survival chest. Well, as a bonus chest. Are ready to open it? I take that as a yes. Come on, open it. Come on, come on. I got 11 wooden planks and 6 stones. A wood axe, 8 sticks, 5 steak, and lead helmet. Not bad. What do you got, Dave? Dave, what do you got?
I got wood, 9 and 4 stone and wood pickaxe and 5 sticks and chicken cook 8 and lettered chest plate.
Okay, what do you got, Vampire Girl?
I got 4 oak wood planks and I got 3 cobblestone and I got 6 sticks and I got 1 wood sword and I got 6
Cooked mutton.
yes.
Okay, you can keep the chest in the storage. Good luck surviving, friends. Okay, I'll get this torch. It's a little bit bummer because it's raining outside. But okay.
A pumpkin.
Wait, why are you laughing?
A pumpkin.
Ah! Dave, nice one.
Pumpkin.
Okay, let's go start surviving. But first, it's peaceful. Oh yeah, sadly this video is gonna end in 10 minutes. And sorry it's short. Well, let's chop some woods. Chopping. This is the first survival. Clearly. Chopping some wood. Nothing's for the sapling. There's a birch forest. Pretty cool. Birch forest. Neat. Well, I guess we have to start in birch houses.
Come on, Ian. Whoa.
But why did you say whoa? You found something awesome?
Yes. Like irons.
And just iron, but good stuff. I'm sorry if my voice is weird. Ugh. Okay. Ooh, planks, oak wood.
Planks.
Oak wood is my favorite wood in the game.
Me either.
Yeah, there's their favorite. Oak wood's the life. Well, maybe, but wood is the second useful item in the Minecraft. That's they said. Yeah.
The coals. Not bad at all.
Coals are the best smelter. Smelting. Whoa, hi. I kinda like the lettered helmet. Okay, don't be rude to the camera. I got tons of wood. So I'm gonna craft something. Craft. Crafting. Boom. A crafting table. The useful block in Minecraft. Yes, you can craft it anything like this. Sword and a pickaxe. Not bad. This survival. Did you like the survival chest? Vampire Girl and Devon? Huh? Dave? What?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a yes. It's a yes, man. Awesome. Oh, cows. Might need cows for the future. In first day, it's peaceful. In second day, it's easy mode time. But what for monsters? It's Minecraft, man. Where zombies exist. Yeah, in Minecraft, not in real world.
Real world.
When zombies exist in real world,
Yes.
that's crazy.
No, it's cray.
Yeah, that's my friends.
Stop, dork.
Okay. But
You better go watch this video. It's gonna be epic.
it might be.
I'm a vampire girl, so I do vampire stuff. A little.
Why you don't burn in sun if you're a vampire girl?
A little bit, I said.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Where the tree might fall. Oh,
I got your wood.
yeah, it's okay. Hey, we should start building our houses. This video is gonna end in 10 minutes. Wait, are we gonna share houses or not?
Here.
Share. I think just. Okay, we will share houses, but we need to find the Dave one. I hope Dave one is not lost. If you're gonna share houses.
Okay, far away. Where's
Yeah.
far away from the lava or the swamp?
In lava and spawn point.
Oh, Okay, I know that way. Far away, I guess. Where are you?
It's getting night, but it's okay. It's peaceful.
Where are you? Okay. Wait, ako konti.
I'm in spawn point. Vampire girl. Yeah. Okay, crafting the woods.
Wait.
Wooding. Woods. The mining. Whoa, did you left? Oh, I think it's a glitch. Man, sometimes glitches sucks. Yeah, sometimes glitch sucks. But other glitches are awesome. Duplicating stuff. Yeah, that's kinda awesome. Man, well, it's not. Sorry for the lags. Oh yeah, Vampire Girl is coming back. She's a little bit glitch. That part.
Abracadabra, make me back so I can be just
Hey, Dave.
joining now. Bim, bim, bim. 1, 2, 3.
Dave, are you alright?
Yes. I'm lost.
Well, you're not lost. We'll come to you. Hey, stop! We find you. Hi, Vampire Girl. Hey, Vampire Girl.
We're pumpkin.
I think it takes 10 minutes to get them for Minecraft day. 10 minutes Minecraft day.
Where we only have 1 minute.
Yeah, we only have 1 minute left. Sorry for the bummer. Hey, Vampire Girl. What will you do when it's full moon?
Eat some human or kill human.
No way, Jose.
What? It's control.
No.
Beaches.
Sorry for the sneeze. Man, that sneeze almost messed me up. Well, a little bit. But I hope you like my video and my friends. Hope you like my video. Bye. start build your own houses, bruh
Sure.
and bros.
Sure, why not?
Bye.